make a chart out of data in Excel. So if I click on blank workbook, we're just going to create a new one. That opens up here, and we're going to have our years and our sales. So we want to track 2015 forward, so we're going to do 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, and then forecast for this year. We're hoping our sales in 2019 reach 4,000. If we look back to 2015, we had sales of 2,900. 16 we had 2,800. In 2017 we had 3,000. 3,000. And in 2018, last year, we had 3,200. So if you already had your data in Excel, you could use what you have there. Just in this example, we've made up these numbers and tracking cells from 2015 through 19. So what we'll need to do is highlight these, go up to Insert, Chart, and we could select about a line chart. When we do that, we end up with this. And this is somewhat incohesive, and this is where some people start to give up in Excel. So you can see it's mapped my years. Down here it's labeled my chart as just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It does have the amounts right, and you do see the correct data here. So I just need to edit this chart a little bit. So if I go to Select Data, we don't want to map the years, so we're going to delete that. But we do want axis labels, so I'm going to click on that. And then we want to start with our year 2015 going forward through 19. So we'll select that and then hit OK. It updates our chart now, and you'll see we have 2015, 16, 17, 18, 19, and we have our data that's correct there. Now that we have the data correct, we could right click and change chart types. There's lots of different varieties that we could look at. Underline, we could do column. So we could look at the data as columns. Underline, there's also some 3D examples. We could do pie chart if we wanted to see maybe what sales looked like overall and what years. But I think for our purposes, this basic line chart will work. The original line chart we had. There we go.